Mishire is when you get a technician come in, they can talk a great game, and they talk themselves into a salary that's just ridiculous, and then they show up for work and they don't know crap. This is everybody's been in this situation. And when I ask about what the biggest fear is with shop owners, this usually ranks among the top of the biggest fears, is the mishire. And I think about Brad Smart's work that he did when he wrote the book Top Grading, and he's a hiring expert. Very interesting book. He says that a mishire can cost you upwards of $1 million. Now, he works with a lot of Fortune 500 companies, but you get the point, because a mishire not only comes in and wrecks things and makes everybody upset and destroys the morale. They're like the rotten apple in the barrel, but replacing them and then being down a technician for a certain period of time, it just is very, very expensive. So mishires everybody's got a mishire story.